Good day, friends. This is Homeschooling Channel, Standard 9th, Social Science, History, Unit 2, Ancient Civilizations, Part 2. So, friends, as per the revised syllabus, we are in Indus Valley Civilization, Trade and Exchange. The Harappans had close trade links with Mesopotamians. Harappan seals have been found in the West Asian sites, namely Oman, Bahrain, Iraq, and Iran. The cuneiform inscriptions mention the trade contacts between Mesopotamia and the Harappans. Friends, the mention of Meluha in the cuneiform inscriptions is considered to refer to the Indus region. Weights and measures. The Harappans developed a system of proper weights and measures. Since they engaged in commercial transactions, they needed standard measures. The cubical chert weights are found at the Harappan sites. The copper plates for weighing balances have also been found. The weight point to their knowledge of the binary system. The ratio of weighing is doubled as 1 is to 2, 4 is to 8, 16 is to 32. Seals, sealings, and scripts. What is seal? A piece of wax or other material with an individual design stamped into it, attached to a document as a guarantee of authenticity. So, the seals from various media such as copper, terracotta, ivory are found in the Harappan sites. They were probably used in the trade activities. Friends, do you know? Some of the scholars had a view that the scripts is in Dravidian language. The terracotta figurines means a toy in the form of a human being. A paintings on the pottery and the bronze image are the best example for the artistic skills of the Harappans. Priest king made of steatite, that is a kind of stone, and the dancing girl of Mohenjo-daro, which is made up of bronze, and stone sculptures from Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, and Dholavira are the important objects of art. Toy carts, rattles, wheels, tops, marbles, and the hopscotches made in terracotta suggest the amusement of Harappan people. The people had a close relationship with nature. They worshipped people trees. Some of the terracotta figures resemble the mother goddess. Fire altars have been identified at Kalibangan. The Indus people buried the dead. Burials were done elaborately. Some authors argued that the Harappans spoke the Dravidian language, but only the decipherment, that is, discovery of the meaning of the text, reveals the truth. The early Harappan, starting around 3300 BC and continuing to 2600 BC, and matured Harappan or the last phase civilization from 2600 to 1900 BC. And the later Harappan existed up to 1700 BC. The decline of Indus civilization. The Indus civilization and its urban features started declining from about 1900 BCE. Many factors related with that. Changes in climate, decline of the trade, foreign invasion or some of the reasons. But this civilization did not completely disappear. It continued as rural culture. And friends, this is the question corner. Which region is referred as Meluga in the cuneiform inscriptions? Write your answers in the comment section. For more videos, stay tuned with Homeschooling channel. Thank you.